Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to hide all Facebook photos. First, open your Facebook account. Then, tap on the menu option located at the bottom right corner. Then, tap on your Facebook profile name. Next, tap on these vertical dots. Here, you will see profile and tagging. Tap on it. Within tagging, locate who can see posts you are tagged in on your profile. Tap on it and you will be presented with several options: everyone, friends of friends, friends except, and more. From there, select the Only Me icon. This means that only you can view any posts on your timeline, including photos. They are now hidden from everyone else. Alternatively, you can choose specific friends or customize who can see these posts. This feature offers great flexibility in controlling who can access photos posted of you on Facebook. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.